Hope you are all doing well. So this is the continuation of last video. In the last video you have seen all the operations of data frames. So there we have accessed every data frame columns and rows, as well as we have seen how to delete every columns and rows, right? Now this one is the continuation of data frame only. Here we are just going to see how to access the data frame through location or LOC and I location. So both the things has been already derived in series also. Series, how you are going to locate those items, that will be like a slicing we have done, right? Similarly, we are going to do the same thing in data frame. Okay, so using location and I location method, how we are going to slice the data frame items, rows and columns. That's what the thing today we are going to see. Okay, so how to now access data frames through location. So now your location is like a slice only. Okay, slicing of elements from arrays, a list. Everything has been seen last year, and this year also we are dealing with that, right? Now if you see here, df dot location, and then the syntax will be df dot location open bracket starting with row, then colon, then end row, and then comma, then starting column to ending column. What are these? These are all slicing part. From where to where you want to slice. In rows, how you are going to slice. From which row you are going to slice. Suppose if you want to slice 1 to 5 rows, then you have to pass a location here, index 1, and here 5. Okay. So that row index will be given like here, and column index also should be given here. Then only here data frame consists of rows and columns. So according to the parameters passed over here, then the D of data frame will be created. Means from the database, the sliced data frame will be printed off. Okay. So how you are going to see? See here they have mentioned dictionary into dictionary. I'm just going to show this one in the program, Python program itself. See here, now you are going to just create a dictionary into dictionary. How? In last year you studied dictionary, right? So dictionary will have a key and then colon and then its value, right? Here if you see here, then bracket should be like this. This is what dictionary, right? Open bracket like a flower bracket and ending with the flower bracket, so that it is a dictionary, so that we can understand this is not a list, this is not an array, it is just a dictionary. That's it. We see here first, this is the key, and again colon, and the values again is passed into this dictionary. So dictionary into dictionary, nested dictionary. This one is called nested dictionary. So here this is a key, and then open bracket. Again values also now given as a dictionary. In the values, if you see, this is the key and this is the value. This is the key and this is the value. Then this is the key and this is the value. Similarly, next another one key is now passed. So again colon, that is the value. Then again values will be now given inside the dictionary. So dictionary will have a quantity or the key value, key value and value, key and value, key and value in between colon. So dictionary into dictionary now has been now given as a data frame over here. So the name of the variable of the dictionary is runs. Okay. So now I'm just going to pass in pd.data frame. The same variable has been now going to be passed over here as a parameter, the dictionary. So now print df. Now can you see how it is this df data frame? So this is what the data frame. So here if you see, this is what the data frame. So these are all TCS, Wipro and CTS are the column values.